The 2026 FIFA World Cup is approaching, and excitement is already building around the world. If you've ever wanted to create your own World Cup song, now is the perfect time. And it's easier than ever. In this guide, you'll learn how to make World Cup songs with Somio AI, from powerful football anthems to emotional fan songs and stadium style tracks without any music production experience. Let's get started. You can create a World Cup song from a simple text prompt. Paste your own lyrics in the Lyrics tab, or use the Reference tab to add a song link for inspiration. For example, start by pasting your prompt. Choose your preferred music style from the Mood and Genre drop-down menus. You can also select the vocal style and enter the song title. Then click Create, and Somio will automatically analyze your idea and enhance your prompt to better match your desired music style. If you prefer your original prompt, simply click Original Version to switch back and start generating your song. To create a song that better matches your needs, you can customize more detailed options and review or edit the generated lyrics. If you want to check the lyrics before generating the song, click View Lyrics. Somio will automatically generate lyrics based on your idea. After reviewing or editing the lyrics, click Create to generate your song. If you don't need to review the lyrics, simply click Create Now. During the generation process, you can preview the audio. Once the full song is generated, you can view the lyrics on the right side and enjoy your finished track. If you want to share your creations with the world, join the Somio Creators Program. Simply share the tracks you create with Somio on social media and earn up to 450 free creation credits. The 2026 World Cup is more than just a football event. It's also a celebration of creativity and music. We've placed the prompt template from this video in the pinned comment below, so you can start creating your own World Cup anthem right away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the official Somio channel for more AI music creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.